Hello, everyone. Happy last day of school. It's finally here. Who would have thought? Such a crazy year. The strike, the coronavirus, everything that's going on. What an unbelievable year. But you made it. The last day of school. After the last day of school, we're going to work on our biggest plant that we've grown so far. Um, Zucchini. This is kind of fun because we haven't really, since we've been in doing e-learning, we haven't really seen any fruit or vegetables grow on a plant. And today, you'll see that for the first time. Since we've been home with e-learning, we haven't seen any flowers because it takes a while, like I said last class, for that stuff to grow and produce. But today you will. So, let's get started. Last day of school. One of the craziest years ever. Hopefully next year's a smoother year. Let's hope. Zucchini. Today's date. 6/18/20. Our plant is zucchini. Today is day, well, the last time we met was day 33. And that was 20 days ago. Put my imaginary line in. I have 3 plus 0. I have 3 zucchini. I'm going to add 0 more. So I have 3 zucchini. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 0. I'm not going to add any more. So how many do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Next column, 3 plus 2. I have 3 zucchini. I'm going to add 2 more. So I have 3 zucchini. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 2 more. 1, 2. How many zucchini do I have altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have no more columns, so I erase my imaginary line, and it is day 53. Zucchini is a vegetable. Temperature today is going to be a warm one. (88 degrees). Last class was 71 degrees. What's warmer? What's the bigger number? Today, 88 degrees? Or last class, 71? What's the bigger number, 88 or 71? Would you rather have 88 days off of school or 71 days off of school? Today, 88 degrees. Today's warmer, so I put my bigger number, which was 88. I'm going to take away the bottom number, 71. To my imaginary line. First column, 8, take away 1. 8 zucchini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take away 1. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next column, 8, take away 7. 8 zucchini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many zucchini are left? 1. There's my imaginary line. And today, it's a difference of 17 degrees. So when we met 20 days ago, it is 17 degrees warmer today than it was last time. Today is sunny. And now to measure our plants. Let's take a look at it. So, there's our big zucchini plant. Now, to give you an idea how big this is so far, and technically it's still small. Whoa, there goes a butterfly. This leaf is bigger than my hand. And it's got these little sharp hairs that run along the stem and on the bottom of the leaf. And these big leaves absorb all that energy and light from the sun, or the light from the sun, to turn into energy to make food for the plants. The yellow-orange thing, that's the flower. And connected to it, that's a baby zucchini. We also talked in the classroom, this right here is a bud. That's going to open up into a flower. The bees, bugs come pollinate it. It'll close up like this did, and you'll start seeing baby zucchini form. Now, some places, some restaurants, Italian restaurants, the chef will collect these, they'll fall off, and they'll stuff them, cook them, and they're very, very delicious. So, height of our plants. Well, we need definitely a yardstick. I don't have a yardstick. We have them in the greenhouse. So I'm going to try to do the best as I can. If you look at this one leaf, just this one leaf alone is 10 inches. So we'll go from here to the next leaf, another 10 inches. This leaf to the tip is another 10 inches. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Sounds like another math problem, but a very easy one. Ten plus 10 plus 10. Such a hard sounding problem, but so easy. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Our next column, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 zucchini plus 1 zucchini plus 1 zucchini is 1, 2, 3. So, my height of my plant is 30 inches. And like I said, this thing is going to triple in size. Yeah, about triple in size. The leaves are going to double in size. So this plant gets really, really big. It gets very long. And it produces a nice, delicious vegetable that you can make many things like zucchini bread, fried zucchini. That's at a lot of pizza restaurants. But just really go with ranch. So you can do a lot of things with this. Flowers. We have one flower. We have one vegetable. The dirt is dry. So that means yes, I'm going to water it. So you copy it on there. I copy it onto my paper. Give me a copy for my sheets. You can pause the video now. If you pause the video, welcome back. We just finished our journal sheets. Now the coloring. To color today, we need 6 colors. We need brown, orange, light green, dark green, black, and yellow. I'm not expecting you to draw every leaf, because like I said yesterday, we're going to be here all day. To draw something like that, with all the detail, if you want to go ahead, but it'll take a very long time. So, what am I going to do first? I'm going to do my pot first, which is brown and black. How did I do this yesterday? Let's see. 2 brown first for my dirt. So you can see okay. Now I'm going to do black. That's the bottom portion of my pot. Top part of the pot, again brown. I mean, if you want to color the whole thing at once, you go ahead and do it. I just do it because someone's mowing our grass. I'm just doing it because it's step by step. Section by section. So I'm done with brown for the next 3 months. I'm gonna do black. I'm done with my black for the next 3 months. Now I'm gonna use light green. And that's how I want you to do it. Light green, you got this big stem, like this. And the stems that come out of this main stem that comes from the seed from the ground are like tubes. So we're not going to draw every stem. We're just going to get the main idea. So these tubes are these thick long things like that, and the leaf this paper's my one. Here we go. Like that. I'm going to draw another big tube up here. So you can see those big leaves. Another big tube over here. Another big tube over here. Like that. Then over here, I'm gonna have my baby zucchini. Right now it looks like a little pickle. Like that. And then I'm gonna put my flour over there, but we're gonna do the green first, okay? So now I'm gonna go in and color my leaves. We're gonna do light green first, and then a dark green. And don't worry about all that detail, because we're gonna go over it with our dark green for that. So I got my leaves. All I want you to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. That's all you have to do. I'm going to color in those big tubes. They're not really tubes. They're just stems, but they look like big tubes. Now, I'm going to get my yellow. And I'm going to outline that flower. And that flower, like I said, is closed up like that. And it's at the tip of the zucchini. So I'm just going to color that in. And that's it. I'm done with my yellow. Now I'm going to get my orange. With my orange, the edge of the flower is more orange, like this. Now I'm doing these little lines. It looks like that. And it's nice and bright because bees and insects are attracted to bright colors. So that bright big flower is a nice attraction to the bees to come in and pollinate it. Now I'm going to get my dark green because in the flower, and I'll show you after, actually I'll show you now. In the flower, or the outside of the flower, you can see it's got those big veins in there. You see that? So we're going to do that dark green. Those veins will flower of these lines like that. Now I'm gonna go in, color in my zucchini. I'm gonna outline those big leaves, color those in. And just like, I got everything going. We got dogs barking, we got the lawnmower going for someone. Like I said with the pumpkin and cucumber, don't press hard with the dark green because we're gonna shade it in, and then it's got these big veins which I'm gonna press down nice and hard. There you go. Should look something like that. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, maybe 22. Oh, we forgot about. We have about 22 leaves in there. To draw out 22 leaves, we definitely need a bigger piece of paper. Our bud. It's below zucchini. I'm going to do light green. And it looks like a teardrop or a drop of water. And if you want, you just put some lines of dark green in those stems. Just give it some nice detail. And there you go. That's what you should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves, 1 bud, 1 vegetable, 1 flower, and then the rest of your day you can relax. once you finish everything. But that's it. The biggest plants that we've done so far. All right, so let's get this out of here. We finished our journal sheet for the last day of the year, and we finished our coloring sheets for the last plants of the year. If you want to pause the video to copy it, you can do so now. Oh, let me show up a better picture. There you go, that's better. You can pause the video now if you want to copy it. So, that is it. We're done. What a year. Some of you guys are moving on to Team 6. I wish you the best of luck. You guys did a fantastic job in Team 5. And you guys did a fantastic job this school year with everything that went on. So best of luck to you guys. Those that are going to stay in Team 5, I don't know if I'll have you next year. They haven't set out the list for who's in whose division, so I have no idea what classes you're going to even be in. Maybe you'll be in mine, maybe you won't. If you're in mine, I'll see you next year. If you're not in my class next year, best of luck to you. And I hope you guys have a very fun, very safe summer. Go out, wear a mask. It's about the only thing we can do right now. And talk with your friends, talk with your parents, talk with your guardians, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle. Keep in touch with them. And yeah, best of luck, everybody. And see you next year. Bye.